Okay. And ba jaga kwe katiti ka tikan garpin. Okay. Ba ping na ka randomly ka ngaida ka ke. Ko anara la through your own experience. Shila roji kami shi ling karamada dian ki mi shi nen karamada dian. La kona experience ne do origin bi ko lo ngi kana ajana nana la kona go kana idea la kona la gurba lo na ngane wi mon. Mi te la kon ka shola scientist lakin kono goro wo ba lo dora ba goro ken iyo ci kan lo da wo goro biga na ko lo balat solution de men lo de ke men ci kana wo jakten brana kono experience be ko lo bala na topic kana gor wi de I'm sorry uh, guys it's hot oh le be ga cha na de le cha air condition you guys can see but I jump it but no na me am da tan sha yi anyway min gora wo barai ka kwi de awale a kwi chosen one ka tong no la ga ke nei di shamek and I'm very excited ka kwi ko de right ka mi shere ka je na me ko ngai je nei to one ku ka struggle ka je kwi ra ne o e mutu wa bare ta ka da kwi ra ne nga jen so la no nge je o ne ba mo ka confusion me di uh chosen one ke nei di shamek ka nei ti shi jan wi mon ti shi lu wi mon over and over I know na me che ve lat ke we ye de lat ke je ke english ko ngai je chi kon vili okay ba lat ke we na nin da rong loy dan ke je we na nin par ke wi dan jen ba lat ke je mo nei di sha mek ka nei di sha ya te ra ma do je ka ka live video I'm sorry guys um now la riet ka la ka nyon ka me sha me yo da ko Malian, Malian. Hey, and Alner, please tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you're watching from. I'm so excited to see you guys. So, can show them one can eat a sham make. Come make a make a ke, take a lat, my book and a ballad we mon sha no ka we mon bang. La rana nunca ko take a assignment. Maybe ben lat ka take a run la. Guys, bangano ngo ba gaga ta ngade. Bangano ngo ba gaga ta video. Ta karama do ya kala. I don't know what going on. So, kane to la nunke ko ne te ka door me be kana ballad wi mon alawo lada mo assignment kake ba ja ka wi mon ko be ballad ane to chi o ne let kien I know but ante nyon ka je te ra te ne to wa ma dwai ka nga ka I don't know why ka kan kana yor ka na mana ante dwai na ba na go ba ga ga ta gwa ya be ne ko la nga de ga ga la internet dai ya oh Tanzania wow I don't know. Our people are in Tanzania. Wonderful. Welcome. Um, so, can I talk? Na ta na na dap kara na min ngoran ka kwe. La pi de la ramedit. Thank you, Tibisa. Thank you. I appreciate it. Uh, la na pit a la ramedit. La wo la pi de la wo ngaja ngwak. Ngaja da ka mi jia ka na mgwa. Ka la pi de la wo ganga dwar. La pi de bo rama mo la wo responsible cha ya gore wo ne da long medit gor ka na ita ko kien. La goro wona ne ruk ngene ka dial da ka la jen ka rwade ba jen bo la pi de la wo no go da na lo ka no go da na la de ka no go da ramata me shuja da lok ka jen la pi de bo ala wona ne rame long na ka shar amane ne ti dini kan ka je la ka lo ka shar ram bo la pi de la ne jen che ja gore bo wona ne ajen bi dwar la do ka che ja gore wona ne dere mishi mo a pok e dere lat ko wo ngaje min dane tere yene ke ngaje min dane la assignment de dong she ngaj fully but ye ka tiede ngaje je la tiede ja ngaje wona ne te ka mi sha ja ka wi mon ka je yene ti shibanti please tag your friends ko topic me gur ka je ne te wana long ba wono ba pat ko wa me dwai ka ka long even now she dear connected dwai te ne ko I wonder why dwai ka ka uh so meti karando mi ngaji tag them tag all of them ko goro bine ideal ben che goro batarambe la ban yo te yo yo lat kama e ba la ban yo mo kwa ja explain again ka che goro ba wona ne dong bran wa ban ka late ka ne ling ka dong ba ban goro da ta me da te goro ja ba to ga ta yen dial ten ka goro ja yo me taran ka me da te be shu te uh, ngoda baba barai baka tanin ko shaka belat ken dia kana ten konte la nyina ra me sha mek ke chosen one so ka la pit ken alaga to mal mol ke shi ja gor da ga to wano shi kana gor ga ga me la gor kan wona ne ti dial de ka lat ka right kala gor kan ne ti dial de gor solution right dia shi kana gor wona ne bika men ne problem ne yeah, no more. So Ken bo kanai la struggle ka life ko Ken kwa ka look down la ka kwa look down a shang te ka magwa malara cha jama la nan ke ko win mon che wile riet ka na ideal ten content ka na ideal ten content wala ken ne te lat ko ma ka ral ka liap a jenen che win mon wile riet ten long ten liang kana ra mar wala long ka liang kana ra man len ma kre liap ka long dan ramanane len yin ka bida ka tele ti ngwan te ladatin eno so baka overlook la toge wona ne chang te ka midin ma gwa bok bilet kene cha jama la nen ka cha ka acknowledge eno kan la kana struggle ka life ti la bu me tet bo wona ne nien tin go tin diri ti daran ka jagre ta ka la daga la bu me tet do bi kan ga jagla ran do ra jaga be ka be ne ko kene jag so easy eno bari yo mi shawo we je gore jen be wa jaga la wo be je long ba kon chui ke je be ko lo wajak ba da bien kana to wo nyin kien ke permanent mi shiran wor wajak ka she ko gore be je yo dunde changal wa tu ge ye ke changal wa jen la wati tin kana ite ko ni je ke nyin kien atak ka wo la wo ka ngala wo ke ko that where they belong la nyin kien chicken jay tin content chicken ka jagra itaka so an rame shows and one rame la jajke an ite one rame la jajke an ite one ke en milele bare de moy ka mi jiyam mata tin en milele bare de moy ka mi jiyam mata tin ka jan chani me shala dia shenge dan wona ne ken kane to chang tele mi shi mai leran chang tele mi shi yen mai rom yen ran point ka wo che ne yang ne je re ni jin ka ge ne la ro je go mi logo ki and it's not because they jira mi je it's your aura is too powerful allow any gwa mi shi watin la demons titare na la ka expose le jin ka expose ba nyir be no ka ne ten content chi demon kien chi ka expose because na goro ba lai de tare do ba yen ko wono la ya tare do ba yen ko de ba confused ba bina ya la jira mi jia biro kula waja especially mu kujiro do biro do kula waja biro kula what ke jo what is my problem and no more yen gu yen me lead natin content chale te shows and one to one again ku ka led astray men ku ka jaga bi ke she gaga men nan kare duer ko yo mi she kai lo ai she shu pan ko ngwang ko goy le de goy ka sha ka nen guri je da na gwa ka sha nen bi yu nu ngone ne bi wo bana la bad person ba loy do yu wang bi nu ngone ne bro do wo kana ke ba loy do shu doin kornak and that is not your calling she jen way nan en kwa ji chol ka je way nan en ma ka ji ka je wo you have to shine no matter what whether they like it or not you have to shine in front of them you have to because that's your calling And minung ka you we mon ka yeah like shows then will be shine no matter what. Jell ray mai, jell ray muka, you have to shine. It is what it is. We can look enough, but you have to. Because when you know your divine calling, I share well, this is divine calling. You won't care about who say what. Chibi dear ko na ne ba wane, chibi dear ko ba wa mulele na mo. Ne can choose then one mishirana decide who take a door no but not right kade. La linga na trade. Cha linga na. La linga na point here the me trade ye jogo wona mo le ni. I shall look again 80,000 we ka jo de we ka nyam de we ka gaga de we ka muka de. Ka sha yok a trade. Ala higher self. I say yoga la ni. La ja la de. Bine ideal kon kula gaji ka ngaka ngule na mene na mo. Ka jo ka je ne ideal ko ke ni shule. It's because take a year me arade. Take a divine calling. A divine calling ka je. Gwanu wona ne ba gwaj karan. Kia gwanu o ba gwaj ka na ben go ba gwaj ka ko. Mi ra ma ngai men cha shole. La ngone o de gwaj ka win mon ke lew ben go ba gwaj ka ko. And yeah, no more. So and chosen one. Uh, arami arami la tidial mi especially mi she ko ngaje we chosen one tidiala ka jaga ka easy la ne ideal to kon bor mi di de gwe la wo be je long a she de long ka la ni aba gwe yo ha na ma bu me ta de long kiran de long ka la ni but point chosen one mo we ban ten be le roin be lat ka ba gwe la wo ni la ni mi la de je ka je ta ga long but kan ideal kon bu me long that because fe jal ka roade karam ma that because Ramesha make. Chosen one neka family day. Shelwa jaga. Neka their own family shelwa jaga. Ramala struggle jen karwa de ka life de. Come most of chosen one la take a very bad childhood. La ka neglect ka childhood deal. La ka neglect sha ka nenke. La neni je ala wona ne kula focus na ka ne te kokien bien ne rama me sha acknowledge at all. Dara door one la de jen de balyang na ne te kokien. Ka bien nen bo kwa ja talk down. And most of chosen one, especially na ite karodi ne define. Mishi wa gujike. La ne ke la wona ne ka ne ti la shirka ka selfish. Ko wo won shiraro da ko luong na charo ko luong na chako shop go na ne go re dere shopping. Tele na kare ka ne ite koken. Ko wo they do it alone with nobody behind them. Anyway, tell them about loitin right ma. Ko raja lada very important. Min lo ro da calling ni je. Di ro wa identify an min go ra kaye. Kia min lada raja me o mi kin ro do ngai ni wani jinga. Bi ro wa identify. Che je. Uh, te kara mi she yoga ne impact chen ba ka kwide tame. Ko ka chosen one impact ne ken. Ano. Ka impact kwa je lo da ka tong nora, kwa je la ka tong nora. Kwa Lan mo wala. Las we wala. Impact ko jan lara tong nora. Impact chere ra mala nang ne ten ko kien. Cha me shang te kara me ta me shui ni je la ja nang ai. Am shui ra ma. Dong me shui jere chere ka be nang. Bara wo jaga lawo jen shui je bra mi balo point la pal chere ke healer can impact ni. Baro ai boko kwidien ka shang do dien. Baden kama baro ai ningan ka kwi chosen one aramla kwa push away la ja kwa push away by all mean an 81 la loka je wona ne ba em no le gementa je ko men yam people fear them because they very powerful especially me sharong like but me kan ron ngai bala ne very powerful but ko roda humble tell me la kana kana shi kana gon kana ite kon ta shale chosen wala rana won me wona ne da roda ku re war ne na kokien iko wo bo kula fedit Rana one me one ne dere ka palma ne tin dere lat ko bane de ko kien kula jaga jabi ga feel comfortable. But I'm talking to you today. Mene ni road radian. Sure lie do sure dim. Iko wo bane de ko ja feel comfortable because that is not your job. Here ladu. Here ladu wo bane de titaka their own insecurity. It because ban jaga jabi ka feel comfortable. You have to shine no matter what. Ko that is your calling. That is the reason. Jaka jaka we mon ka jako you are a light. Maybe ben doptin. Chibo we mon ko bro ban shrink. Iko bane de konkula dop. Bi we mon ko bi light do be ban ja dobe. Bane ti shi light ne ke rodian de dim one ba nyo ja dop ke. Mi shi wo ne ni ngaji ka ke ne ni ka ne ti ka ne ti sham kiran go nyuri jen gagadu. La ro jega you have peace. Can chosen one. Ko wo tele ye mi ji tele ka hatred radian. Tele ka envy. Tele ka nyir. Tele mi tare dien mi shirana to ko and then ci tawre du la yey ka feel but ci kono ko la ngaje special mi kene ni energy ne kene ka study ci ka ngaje wona ne e mu ko feel that way so ko wona yene tin konta ngai raro da wo shows and one ti da mana bot tin konta within a mana re ne tin konta nyoro tin ko energy very contentious ah ala wo energy la dop ka je shi me la joye dop kana iti sharaka kana ti ka very special women kana iti la gur wo ba ka protect by all means but shi community dan kan ngai ka jan shi ngwana ne ti ugly ne mako wo when chosen one when to ku ngwan ka goy la kwa wan le ne devil point la kwa le ne point and devil point ma shi ku je go and chosen one la kwa wa le ne devil point daga jiya ko wo shi goy ku to ke ti di al tin dero won ko wona ne binago chago won ba tel mi rama ku ka no le tel mi nen ke tin bien ne sham tel mi rama la kwa blame ni gada de yama min da rama da dia na ba wo blame ga ya a sham min la gada tin ko kene ba wo blame ga ya shere ko wona ne mistake mi sha la da gada ko ken la ban gor ko no ba ban bele je yama je la gada ko ni je ba ban bele je not because it and a ramagia but ka ji mu ku jiro do la we maybe you a bad person. I want to deal ban pen with them. Be an ente come de la na ideal ten cocaine tell ramada to no me but we la jin bu win mon ka le ro de jong. It's not that you are a bad person. It's because we mourn gwa the nan and chai can come bumping. So can chosen one jaga kaka we mourn ko big boy den ba bom boy. So and we mourn point the queer ko ka chosen one ba ka yik net ping. Chiko be joy ko mo boy den would it. Big an ideal and cocaine at an incur. Ko believe it or not, you done one can in. Chella and in a lana toy ko. Toko Rainian right here dan taken koro dana identify o kokon ngani. Majority of them can rod of us can rod ne identify o ko baroda matin. Majority of us can rod ne identify ala wona ne yo jin nga wala bu wa. Bai yo jin nga grun bu wa. Bai yo jin nga mola bu wa. Bai yo jin nga ka joga mi bu wa. You are not none of them. When chiro do identify she ngadi wona ne jin nga tell them like yeah, you are this. And no matter what people say about you, say yeah bother. Come like yeah bother, me kuji korodu. And then me be when you can tell when an agent point do agent man for that. They yo yes. Chenda ga kaji. Ko en wala again man for that. Chenda ba mai lo yala man for that. And wala again yo kyo ba mai lo la yo ba mo jala ni shok dara wala ra. A wala again thane me ga tiel kan no. Ko ra me shiro da ngai la ngai men taje kala kuji men la kala ngai men fitaje. Ashin ka wi yo na mete ne ka ji ka ga na ko me je ta taje ka mi ka jo na mete ne ka ji ka me mi taje na ko ya sam ni be la ro ke te ka da mu ko la ga kateka so begag ba shutel kaji ka begin fa unstoppable ko wo shi ngai katin konta tagaji so again I'm chosen one and chosen one and I'm sha acknowledge aram la pin na gada de la ram di la pin de la ma yongak nin ne kwe ka de la daga ma duar kai che ya gore de duar de la che gore blu ne to ko ken ji al ka duar mi chale ka jen point me che shar ba do la cha sta bara ma la na ri a gore je be yig lat ko ram ku je li tere de fi ne de tara fi kan ku je li ka kan ci kana dwal ka wo bira nor la mi shira na je ba dwal la a shem ku je wo mu tare da mo mu bo to tuna shira na dwal ken kana ite la wo a dwal ka ke a je ne la de ye shem ne da no ne ne de riet de kelo de la ne ti shop ko wal ba tel ram da dwala but me shi shows and one area da mo wala da to min ko tina kana ideal to it's not that they me je kala it's because riet ke ta ka power so me shi la da dwara shi la me shi Michela, Michela, adore Shella, la why yoga na tina. Michela, la why yoga na tina, black or why yoga man, fear and terrain, and cocken, but why yok. Benated got bigger you got. Benated look at your book should look. Be an end boy, Shangaram, I call chosen one buck. Take a native one buck, like chosen one to be at to tell me like Larana, la bid a bit. Be an any sham tell a dorm lade, la take a milukus. Look again better than a mouth. Reni jan ka ge na but a miluk era jalla na mom jalga jo dalla no to logge cha de la an goj but ma ba lok ten goj cha goj rana because mi shi ran goj la goj rana ke do cha goj na poindu kala wa do la ke do ne rego mi shi del goj kam mi shi ban ka ge do and energy da na ya dominate completely so mi shi dominate and energy da bi nunga ko wo be di me ne ko ba ga post but di me ne ko ba ga post kaken mishira an roda ngai fully kana iti tite shale shows and one ala support system bien ka be ka human ka very strong support system mila bon ka heaven mila jakka ne na ka karaita ka dien na kai kai ne ram me ba wa ba ji wallat kana maram me ba wa ba ji wallat kana ma gonna ti gol mara mi yan ti la dore le de la wo ba ti be kun pin ka lew just ko wo le de ni je ka ji and that because shajak taka ka heavenly support kana ya ti panken te la chosen one ti mi shiro do la dre ta kara a shiro do kuin kore a guri je diri te de dere destroy let it go hell te do la we dup completely and that's why jene we yana la ana ngala goro wo bana jogo be careful kana de ku mess with ko wo chosen one mi shiro kuin re ta ka de guri je be destroy men guri le de ka jala la de ne ga rodo ko can they divinely protect it Shangara ram kind of road and I bow and chosen one. They divinely protected. Allow Quaka protect. Miss Road Queen Core, she wrote Jogate, till the dick of Quita card. Till the Datu Kakala, talk to a Takadu, till the Dickaja Rammo. La Carodian a Ridican Dian, La talk a Takadu, be by the jungle point. So, Canate La Guru, you have to be very careful. If you feel certain way, Kakwira, Rama mom, Milara, you're going to feel different. Gagade, Kenda, if you're doing don't mess with that person. Don't mess with that person. A chosen one. Ko min shilat ka la wagang na heaven. La wagang na point heaven. ma jiga shi lele mo ko kan tala ka intention can nobody. They have pure intention can anybody. You win, they clap for you. You're doing good, they clap for you. You are happy, they happy. Chika ne la gore ne dung no mo dare ta je. No. Chere ko jika na lene menane ngor ke me lat ke ne dia. La shop ka do bien golo. Da ne ti taw den da ka shop kan do ba kelo. But point shows and one day do the sha golo da na yo go do me. And that because shall lead yang to please para na yoda ka please and me tiama goro ba ngo ga ta do na do ken long I don't know why mi jira mata ka question please teja gwa me shu wa ka ngade bi no yoda ka ko message me very important I really need to give it message me la de ne last year wo ba lat kana itu ngwan gor kana long la ngapi ke ni siang ro ni ka kwi shows and one so mi jira ma kwi rodu kwi je ne one ne wo jin shows and one ngai ni ro re ka ti jin mi jira me ne ka shal godu shaji neglect ala wo le din ko by your own self tala ram la shun kel gaji yo shi wala de dor ka yo mi te ka mi gor ka ba yi goro wo be balat you are one mi la ro do jage wo ne chang kam tala mi shi le ran ba ta ga dor mi log ran ka ji ngai ne you are one mi la bi ka kuna ka ba ta ga binar shang ka shang do den mi na ya ka wai da den ngai ne you are one you are a chosen one. And mi jira me dong chua le duor tala ramana ya nen ala wo la nen je wo ne ne ideal shi ga wudien je you are chosen one that because ken road ngai when she road ngai you will attract them because attract by it support divinely by it support heavenly tala ramana dong mo gorgolo the support system do ban shang support system do ban shang ne so she will there but guru e bro do ngai ka ba ba lu njog bo ka kwi ka o de ri nga ji di o you are chosen one and jen bo la le ne ideal ka ti go la ne ni je le ne ideal ka ti go ka the same people ka chelet ka ti go ka ne ti la rodian vid ka ne ti la ya guru de destroy ka ne ti la ya guru de nyen ka ngar ngar ka ne ti la ya guru de ka wo ni je completely we mon ko wo de ko la do go ade sure gwe je wo ti ka rek you have no problem you are just divine a gen chosen one cha ji shows ko be ban wi mon me wi mon be banger la do wi mon wona ne cham te ka ti jek te lat ka ji chi mai chi bi yen ka mai cha kon mo ta example bo me na ka je en ji se cha gwan yo ko pele ke ka ko ku ken me lel kan me la re da mo ku na be wona ne me a divine purpose ko ke je a divine purpose en wo ba li wi mon ku ken en wo ko ku le bo lab ne jen they don't know ajen ko ele laro pale keka ko ku ken melel kane dungai kene rama me be ka divine purpose tal ram da ta kuntin ko la men ja ko lo biriam na mana kargan ken cikana da jak right now but ko ku ken be divinely ke divine purpose ba ko jama ajen e kwala na ga ka jene ko gwale jok o pale keka ku ken melel kane gori ji today o riya da mo na ngai mi gori je puji wona ne be le bo lab ka life a shan te ko mi jiang mi shirana lele shwe nyoko chwal ko mi jiang shwe shwal ko mi jiang in fact chwal la ko mi kwa be doje nanen wa doje benen ko wo koro mo ba nang personal ba koro mo ba wanang personal ala wo ba koro ba water gwa mi shinga men cha koro kon to wan ter ke je special ne ten kon la chosen one men cha to koro kun to wan ter ke je la rana la rana ra ma gwa la na gwa la ti dia la go ka yo ba wa no ne ti je ka na bi ka ngot bo la wo ti dien we gwa the reason why la mo do wo ti dien gwa wo jin point du ti ke wa lo mo do ti ke ti ro me mo de la guri je no mo de ri ter ji ko do yu pale But me she palle she ran let ka jika she walk away and you just keep your heart pure. Kia me she go ba wo te kam let ka je be let ka je be walk away be keep me your distance. La ko ma la ja tar ka 100% ako ka je ram mo. Cause you don't play with divine. You don't play with them. She could like a boy thing. Nay tin che shows point them ko tin che make and one and a big when we mourn ko wo big a mind the become a band of we mourn me she road queen pin she tar to do queen pin. She could have shall play the la ja let the 100%. I mean she lelka. So me can road identify no one ka a gen chosen one we road rake it tea. We take do. Na gada do. Mana me she did. We take do. We road she suffer already. Most of them can eat a neglect. La rana suffer karwade. La queer katik the jen karwade. Kami shiraro the bangach. I sharo the bangach o jenianga. Ka can chosen one. I sharo bangach a one and a jen point de. Maybe we mourn a divine purpose. La kana unstoppable. Tell ramla ka lonka kapshon. Katele mila ka pen milel kan. Kuwo baka should lead at their higher self. Their higher self jala ka jo walenama. Ama she look la puri ji ba yin nang na ka bom. You have to do it. Be a lot. Come here lot. Bu wang dia la gwich. Ba wang dia lep ko be kana nen. Ka ba jit dia lep ko be kana ling. But it only happen when you know who you are. When she ngaja go awone ne mula calling do we mon. And what be calling do be ngai we mon. La ngi je ba goro ba not kel. Chang chen ka bela lat kandian. Wo be calling do ngai we mon la ngi je ka ten konta la di. Sejen. Jimmy jira mala loy do te the long mission na moy ka door shira let ka door. You're calling a service. A will be not serve. Jimmy jira mala ya goro wona ne be me take me guy na be ngal walen. A jin fixer. Again you are calling. A will be ma bu ka wari ala ka me take me guy na bina ngal wa ka je. Shu bit ka je nyu shu nyur ka je. Do it. Whatever la je ko me shia la be je be feel so good. Biro je la wa shi loy do te. Be je la wona ne shi ye ku go. Me shia la anamo. That's your calling. Again, in Jaka Jaka, we want to be bala do it. Chula no man and Joka Ji, Kaja, native cockene, a way jan and Madi road lot Kaja. Yes, Chang Wake Ji, the road lot Kaja. Your soul are screaming, Joka Ji, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. She abba Madian at Tidu, Guane, one and I did a lanami Madian in a Tidu thin, Ko did what lanami Madian in an app. Ko what Tidu? A jan cop. Jin Mishadaka Tidu, I share white yen a Tidu. I share gag yen a Tidu. Like she lonely young tea and anything 1,000. The gin very lonely. Kala she a lower dog midit, they take her. But gin yen a tea do. Mimadian, Raikatilla dianke. La nanka geninium do, how you glowing. La nanka happiness ninium do. La nanka talloy niam do, a native cockien. Kowata loy, men year do la banajor, believe me. Ma jego re du la bade joje na rate ne ti ko ka me wi mon te ngi kana la yang dil ran wang du la ne je ko stress mi shigag mi jin point ga mi jin point yel mi jin point yir mi jira ma tedi mi jira ma de mi jelen la mi je ka kan de ala ra mo kan de balan da ka la di tek tek na mi yete tin ko na tare du la kan bane joy ra la nen ka if you are not happy la nen ka if you faking it la nen ka if you struggling la nen ka so young na ti du ka glow ka woman na niam du baban glow young na ti du ka pol ka young na sherku ka pol ka woman na point ra baban glow kano na rodu kana ideal tin content gor ka je wode ji nyogo nong na ka zero jin mi jira ma sha mek ci jina feel comfortable gwa na tin lat kana ti jepen jin ci jina feel comfortable gwa me gor ko no wo ba na ko ken destroy tin ko wo na mo she you are calling jin mi jira ma sha mek ci jina feel comfortable gwa mo kwa na ko kwa ka destroy tin ci jina feel comfortable tin ko humanity number 1 ka ji mi jira ma sha mek humanity la laba number 1 ka ji ajala ko ngam mi ted mi gwa e wo da loy du ted mani jina ni je da gwa wo da loy ne ta ko ken da te si ja gori da raro do gul duole ka shiodu aba wea mi jira ma chame ko woman talk kan itin chame let me tell you this secret jimi jira ma chame chem chila na rana jak point du la je bana feli pen ra ma mi la bana feli ne itin chame la kan pen ni na la kan ka fel ajen chikana lele jak jama rama chame la pen ra ma do den men bay karama do den la ja fel shanka ne lara ajen chira rana goro baran hurt chikana goro bi karan hurt minyi rana ke iko wo taka ka duwar mata ka kai chikana dear ko wo tele mela ka jaktina na mo that's your own problem but chikana yen abrana wa hurt aken kariet ki abrana wa goro da ke budare ngal they don't do that chikana led ka ken mi shirani let ka duwar shirana goro e biye nyoko luje chikana let ka ji ko goro kan wo biye nyoko luje no. In fact, they don't even want you to act certain way. Ko share let kadu. Chika na go to be act share me ku dual ko diri ka ja jeng loy ken ko chika na let kadu no. Because can they come and go? They come to your life and go. They have a mission. They don't stay in your life. Take a mission. Mission and ben share mission. Naman go to take a they share but look they have to go. And it's not because they don't like you. It's because take a mission we move. Bokan bala ne je shiko boka to stay. That's why Michido Mukaramela real shoes and when I yoga don't feel comfortable. Don't feel comfortable with me because I come and go. I come and go. I don't stay. So can I like na light up. Michelle Shibana kere dora. Did I am chosen one. Misha ban me take a guametanatin near point parking lot. Me take a guametanatin ka parking lot. Don't tell an 81 Michi shows and one cabana guamo be an end but tiang and parking lot among. And gua Michigan within la non can dorkin. And gua Michigan Newton la non can dorkin. Ramishika what I take out and I can take that non pop. La ya ne la take a get all the I take out do near Minan and Chico Barre take out. Come here, Jira met Shanka me Shanka till me gear me a thing one ticket dolphin. La kind of board in the Alacon Bagaban Wara can your life go to hell can in order ko ba ko la fix. I don't know de kala de bitim bakon wa ye ke lew and then ba ko la nyoko ma kwa la fix it because they have to renew everything and gwa mi shi what they have to bloom like renewing everything. Thank you, thank you. So go ahead and mitaran ga question ba tiya ba loy ko go re je wo ba ga te ra mi adoj ni te ne te adoj ni long na na men to ga video ka ta ma she gor ba wa mi we ne ka 2 hour ke 1 hour ko gor wo bi agwe bala lu njok ka shang ma da den ba ban gor wo ne de ka explain agwa kaye ko da ra ro ko lo wo gwi re den da ra ro wa nga je wo ne jini jin shows and wana ke she jin chosen one iyo mi she wa ngaji no diri shu wa shang ka we guri jama wo bo shang ga I give it to you take it or leave it che yen so chosen one kanai ti cha kwa yu pu yo win mon bako ban let ne lighten ka bako ban open na wang ne ne ten kon and ten kan taga ka divine purpose ma bako na ban wi mon bi ke ko wote ka mi ban tu kyang en fi tu bi ye mi shi ngaje na mo bi shu lat chen ka pe ga na ngoro wo bi lat ka ya ban me jen chosen one chuta du kwang rai ga ti ye ko wo do je mo na neme rama ngai doran me dan cha ko la ri me dan wona ne mi shi gad ku ban chang jin mi shi gad ku shi ka ban chang ga da tiye ka ja ta mi je mi shi gad lo lat ga da dan la ban do ke ga da lem ni jere gan to amma do ke je o wo ngai je mak rama di ngai je mak she jen ka chosen one mình xem ấy mà này thì là cái này gì cái xem mà mình là này gì mình sẽ qua quy để cho gì là đuôi cái gì đó mình sẽ qua cho lên là đuôi cái này gì mấy đàn chẳng có thấy cái gì sao đâu phải vậy nào mấy đàn chẳng có thấy cái gì làm cái luôn này why chosen one là cả lát cái gì ý ở chỉ có qua cho cái này bu kan bu pere de ga to kan ba wa đuôi này cái lông cái thế có cái gì ko you not supposed to Jin me jin chosen one. You're not supposed to be a shown a min family Ramadan. You're not supposed to do revenge. That's not your job. Revenge do la let cook. Ko jin you are divine protected. You are divinely protected. Sorry, your mission mas in your Thank you. Uh, you are divinely protected. Allah will shit a long ko wo misha lili arana be shown. All you have to do wo misha let come here. You go. Close your door. Meditate on it. Meditation la cha na ngajak la lal ga je ete ga bi je ma da no meditation chere mi lag ni re du ko point dura la ya la gi la po gi mi shiro do tara ma da ma ta ga jo ga cha po la kono po mi fian ko la kon ten je to kono tara bare dan ci kono la meditation chere mi lag ni re du mi shi won ku ne na shi nyur gwa du jin karo adu ka 1 hour 2 hours ke 3 hours shi won ku ne nyura la wa lagni tidu lagni reidu ke lew ala wo me shi won ko wala bo yo later la ra jagi la yara ni mi shi batini me shi won ko wala ba later a shi won ko wala la ra wa jagi la new person even tin we mo la ka we different ti ka we the same way so work meditate tai let ka mi dia we meditate on it ko wani ya le ka bible bo ka kan ja de ale na do me cha la ba wa I will meditate on it. So buwa binyu meditation kwa ya lara lugwa ya de lat kaya tam nara ajen wo ni na wanku gak tedu gak na wi morar wore shariku so bina mo be remove rai taka be release be menanen tray do men fi loy du da ja kai ne al be release be jaga ja weke an wana mo mu wi wanku wala be jago be solution da jak way there is solve ka jama be jak but me jin chosen one. Don't you ever try. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Like yeah, do I take a drink me here? Come la do I get la do I you know better. You know better. I get la do I get check a gun me dean me ka by ray gun to tiene me te me here shall let ba do in a gun dean. A war gun the dean na your mark. Jin bo me la do I a war jin you know better. Na your mark. Maybe reason and tweet na ke way tweet ke ni ke jam. Maybe je wo yimu. Maybe there is something different about you. Maybe you are not just like them. You are a different. Sure let mi cha ji le mi je sure. A mistake mi din mo nga je ta ma kwa mega shows and one to one long. Kwa je mega nei to one to sha mega long. Oh bai let ka do bi show na ke jen way sha le ni. Don't do that. Let them ne talk a queer ke comedy. Ko wo mi shi wo show la men cha le li ala kama de jagara mo la ja nangi La ya pa ge. That's why they walk free. They do you dirty, but they walk free because you Korean na. Surely walk away. Let them deal with their own karma. Bika tada waja. Again na nen cha men cha ne te cha me men cha ka Korean cha janga la ter ke je ko majority of them la rana goro mi chele ne ba yo chuli. Don't do that. Again jo ko da pal ke ko quicken me lel ken. Kanariya da mo. Lam ne ya la ri wo pal ke ka ko quicken me nat ken. Chan kirani le mi je. But one thing you have to do is walk away from them. Remove yourself completely. Mishirani let come here. Remove yourself completely. Forget about them. Don't even give them time. The more you giving them energy. You giving them energy. Don't do that. Remove them. Move on with your life. Bitin kon to talk later do be goy when she can land this year can talk be goy and go con time and talk on right now at time ago. At time ago long at time and come can ideal muy kien. Tin chare la ka kwidien. Come can ideal muy kien mi shiro do la ka shiro she led redu. She led redu muy ku dial bi ko ban gaji. Yin ku dial tin go bi ga jaka we jaka ga gaji. But you have to focus on yourself. You have to work on yourself now. And you have to let go anything men ku tawredu. Ko min nang to one tell we want on forgiveness. Mr. Lee forgiveness. Tell you door made me long ka. So let those people deal with whatever they do to you and move on with your life. Sure, go be a show. Sure, go be ran what you wish don't even talk about it. Just move on with your life and you will see what happened to them. Cha janya. Come on, and then and show can you go shiran and me just cha janya, believe me. Me she lloyd do luck, she lloyd do luck, she just forgive and move on. Forgive and move on. She come and then cha janya, can I talk? Chat hard nang. Go look at that personal. Chat hard nang. Again, man, and they la dia no more. May jin chosen one, show mark short. I let come a year, move on with your life. Learning in ku. And a door mat walk right, do lam near within him and go out to quid. Chog within him in year. Ko wo jin take a divine purpose. Mabako jiwi mon. So, but take a obstacle. But you can tinga ji, among you level up kaje. And around Mako level up. Chidamara level up smoothly. I take a min bami am beer doing pain buckle one way. Be men don't be full of jack. And in quarrel on the alapodia, me take a ramata, me there you more than welcome burger. Again, nan and go rababa ladanamo, baban can more, baba right bock a quick impact, him and jana take a jamanan when I have time. Baba right a quid, but I'm a go to a beba, my you will load more, me with your order again. Jiram kel kakaneto barai kaka. Not only empath, I will talk about sociopath, psychopath, empath, narcissist. Kanti dial to barai kwidi. Ko goro bana ga ngai baka community dan. Kanti ti ko bro you protect right nen ke chia kana to, but most importantly jin me jin chosen one. I share jaida gwati te. Ko your energy is very unique. Ka your energy is very powerful. Your energy taga they destroy and it can it ko hang out with. So be very careful. Can it ko hang out with. Nate la dien ma kel ke nate mong ke. Be very careful. Take a to to lat ka right now. Take me sure destiny swapper. Nate one who can destiny in end and count la chosen one who can. Because what shine ka ke. Be an brand ban ka your life. Be your life go down but their life go up. Think about that. which man and talking. Go to one and be train up, okay, just little moment. But don't be everywhere. You're not supposed to be everywhere with everyone. Be very selective. Be very selective. Can I go hang out with your intuition? Very, very powerful. Your intuition, maybe you got something feel up about that person. Listen to your intuition. I don't tolerate that. If I feel like something is fishy about you, I run for my life. Okay? I run for my life. Michelle, let me take something that is not, mm, no, I gotta go. Okay? I protect my energy like my life depend on it because it does. That's what it done a lot. My life depend on it. So I protect my energy by all means. Cause my energy, again, my everything. Again, my everything. My energy, again, my everything. You guys see, even now, I don't go live like I used to. And that because I have to protect my energy. Because I don't know who is watching me. It's not everybody that watching me like me. I know. So I come to life when I feel like it. And when I know my energy is so shiny, I come to life. Ko ngai je wo tela ram bira go bakate. I am protected. Okay. Destiny swapper easy to recover on that. First, tell me this solve. Kenya ngaji it organ ka. Tell a problem made solve. Kenya ngaji mutu. When she realized there was something is not right, uh, we can't win you a ngasha hang out. Again, that time, machine could be a and what will go bigger go down. A ngasha hang out. So ngwamo mishi ngayo ngasha hang out, and then you have to look at their life. When she take the and she go and something is going on, that when you take action and take an action, and you have to call it back. You have to call your destiny back. And if you want to know how, message me. Message me. Muwata time baji way and they lat kaje. You have to call back your energy, your power. You have to call it back. And you have to call it back from that person. And make sure the one and agent point to me we not. Where not see how you feel. Especially mission you not. See how you feel. Every little thing we care in detail. Ramishin Yurga Gadamo, with how you feel. Charlotte Jake, with how you feel. Kakaniam Namola, what when you study your own energy. Mishi energy you study. Again, go lie, negative one and okay, when I talk to this person, I don't feel good. Min charai karam me, I don't feel right. Min charai karam me, I feel good. Min charai karam me, bine the content lot karoka jik because you identify. Be sure you na me malad malana tan and mala what woman, and then you don't have to go there. So again, any other question? Yeah, you have to call your power back by all means. Create powerful chakon yogo shak right point. Karai te wana akan o mesha. Karai again. So we should all feel where something is not right. You have to demand and call it back and say, come back to me, to where you belong, to your home. Come back. Then baba. Minyan ko dial dun kiji. Ane je na mashi wa rako. So I just te yene dial din te gwich. Ane bu kwaro ko batagaye. If there is any question, makaloy. Birana la wata ngi yo. Ba la waja ke mishi wa comment ka shara longa loy ka comment. Dong ba la wa loy yo ka comment. Ban miti mungo do ti gwa me ka ti me de ti Go ahead and page and I will come live whenever it's at a time again. Come on board, come on, de la balariabo. Because Muguri would write about it. I can do it. There you go, Pinbo, Guamo, when Chatham jag de Barai Quid. Take a topic, not one along to la go, de Rai Quidian, but the time Sanga allow. Ano come la pobie, go make un real. Bye.